Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And this question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day, where it closed yesterday, and then where it ultimately closed right up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a good solid move on the day. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at, what is that? The $1.15 mark. Why is the $1.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back down into this area of the chart. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price actually has a pretty drastic pullback. Not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, comes down here and then behaves in this manner. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low right there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have the overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction and making progress forward. That's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining quote unquote making progress as $1.15. Preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that purple line, that would be best case scenario. But even if it doesn't, not the end of the world because of the reasons we discussed down there around $1.15. As far as levels of resistance, keep an eye on that pink line right there. That is the 200 period simple moving average. But at this point in time, in my opinion at least, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.